What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing a holiday gingerbread man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now you want to line up the top all the way over on the right side and draw the same sized oval. Let's draw a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center of the head and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, start with a curve coming down the middle, and we'll bend that back up. Let's round out the side of the mouth, starting on the left, going around, and bending that in towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's place the tongue along the bottom of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, we're going to curve this up. Let's just bend that down towards the right. Let's step back, curve up, and then back down. And we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to surround the face with a large circle. Let's start by lining up the bottom of the mouth over towards the left side. It's going to curve the head, going all the way around. Pull that up and in towards the middle. Go all the way across. Round up the head. And then pull that in on the right side. Let's add in the arms. Starting on the left side, then the arm going down and then up. Let's round out the hands, go all the way around, and we'll bend that in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to work our way down the side of the body down towards the feet. Let's start on the left. Bend this out, and bring that down. Let's round out the bottom of the legs, coming down, and then up. Now you connect the inside leg with a curve, going up the middle. Let's round this out, and pull that back down on the right side. Now you want to give our character some thickness, so we're going to add an edge on the left side. Let's start from the top of the head. Just going to taper this all the way around, come down, and just pull that in towards the side. Let's go to the top of the hand, all the way around. It's going to pull this in towards the body, leaving a gap. And we'll trace the body coming all the way around. And we'll just tuck that in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add an edge underneath the right arm, going out and then up. Now I'm going to move over towards the left side, trace this out, coming down, and again just tucking that in underneath the right foot. Now let's decorate our character. We're going to start with a hairline, starting right in the middle, start with a point. Now from this point, I'm going to curve this down towards the left, and we'll bend that up. Let's go back to the center, come down, round this out, go up and out towards the right. Let's add some thickness to this line. I'm just going to round out the ends. Now going back to the left side, we're just going to trace this curve, going up towards the middle. Let's round out that center point, come down and out towards the right. Let's add some waves across the hand and the legs. We'll start from the top left, we'll wave this around, then out, step in, and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same wave across the bottom of the feet, come down, and in. We'll step up and trace that out. Let's add 2 large buttons in the center of the body. We're gonna start from the top, draw a circle, go all the way around. Let's move down and draw that again. Let's add 2 circles on the side of the head for the cheeks. Just beside the mouth. And now we're gonna add some spots across the body for some texture. Let's start from the very top of the head. And just randomly place these spots going all the way down on the left side. And we'll add a few on the right. Let's complete our drawing by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw our holiday gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.